Awesome. Welcome to the best Instagram and the biggest Instagram course out there. We're going to show you exactly step by step so you don't miss anything how to get to over 10,000 targeted and genuine Instagram followers for your account, whether that be a business or a personal account. I'm going to walk you through step by step how we took our account from 0 to over 50,000 followers in just 8 weeks. So our journey is going to start with your Instagram profile because we want to make sure it's the perfect profile. We're going to go through your account type. We're going to go through your call to action, your photos, your bio, everything. We're going to make sure it's fully optimized together because once we start advertising that out there in the Instagram world, we want to make sure it converts really high when people see it, to people starting to follow you, and then people going through and buying your products and services. Once we have a really high converting Instagram account, we then want to go to the next step of our journey, which is the ultimate content game plan. I want to show you how to find and create really viral and amazing content that people are going to engage with. We're going to show you when to post, how frequently to post, and we're going to show you all the beginner mistakes that most people make that really hurt their Instagram page and show you exactly how to avoid it. We then want people to actually discover this. So we're going to show you the first booster strategy that we're going to use in order to hack the Instagram algorithm and have people who don't already follow you come across your content and then love your content, go back to your profile, and of course that's set up at a really high conversion rate. They're going to follow you or they're going to buy your product. So we're going to talk about content stacking. We're going to talk about power influencers. We're going to go through the whole algorithm and we're going to go step by step. So if you don't understand what these things are, we're going to show you what they are, how you can use them to start to grow your account. Double down on this momentum, we're going to use what's called influencer marketing. I'm going to show you how you can go out there and get other people to promote your account to really kickstart this growth and kickstart this momentum in your followers as they come back and they find your highly converting profile and they follow you. We're going to then triple down on this using Instagram ads. I'm going to show you how we got ads down to 1 cent per follow. This is genuine and targeted people who are relevant to our business coming across our Instagram content, coming back to our profile and following us for just 1 cent, and how you can replicate that. Once we've built this massive following of tens of thousands of followers for your Instagram brand, we're going to finally show you how to monetize them, what you need to do step by step in order to make sure that you're actually making money from your Instagram account. So if that sounds great, I'm going to see you in the next lecture. My name is Benji from Social Fastlane, and we grew an account from 0 to 50,000 followers in 8 weeks, and we want to do the same thing for your account.